Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we have a spectacular treat for you. This is Montague House, located in Herne Bay. Now, Montague House is a 5-bedroom Georgian residence, and it oozes character and curb appeal. It's easily one of the most beautiful houses in the area, and as we go throughout the property, you're going to see some spectacular rooms and some really quite amazing features. So a little bit about this property. Of course, it is a Georgian residence, originally built in 1833 and is grade 2 listed. And of course, as soon as we come into the entrance hall, you can just see that beautiful staircase just winding straight up and leading to the first floor. But again, you come through into the first of the 2 main reception spaces at the front of the property, and the first thing you notice in these rooms are just those wonderful big bay windows that just let all of that natural light flood through. And of course, you're just overlooking the front of the courtyard there. So coming back to the part of history on this property, of course, built in 1833 and grade 2 listed, and I think it really does hark back to those days gone by, and really does give you an amazing opportunity to settle into one of the most beautiful homes that are available in the area. So just panning around and looking at the palatial sized rooms you can see here, they're just absolutely beautiful with the fireplaces and those lovely big bay windows. So we'll have a few more moments having a look around here, and we'll crack on with the rest of the tour. So we're going to venture downstairs from the ground level and go into the cellar. Now, this space is really intriguing. You do have the original coal cellar here, and I mean, this space could be used for anything. It's currently being used as a really useful utility area, but if you wanted some independent living space, this would be perfect. To create that nice separated annex style living, you could certainly do that down here. Of course, you've got the window there just letting a little bit of that natural light come through, but the ceiling height here is actually very good as well. You're going to have no trouble walking around. Sometimes cellars can be dark and cramped spaces, but this is the complete opposite. It is a very usable space, and again, just adds to the character and charm that this property offers. We're going to go upstairs now. We're going to venture up this lovely winding staircase and have a look at the 5 bedrooms that we have on offer with this property. Now, you can see you've got that gorgeous sky lantern just letting all of that natural light flood through down into the main entrance hall of the property. That is such a stunning space. And as you can see upstairs, the decorative order of the property is just stunning. The current owner really has brought out all of the character and charm that this property offers. So here we are in one of the property's double bedrooms, and what a feature room this is. I mean, all of the bedrooms here are stunning, but as soon as you come into this first one straight off of the hallway, first thing you notice again is that lovely window that just overlooks the front courtyard there. And location wise, this property is brilliantly situated. You're only a few moments away from the seafront, and in the opposite direction you are adjoining Oxenden Square, which is a really wonderful green open space that you can go and walk around and really enjoy. So it's a fantastic location, and you're going to be seeing that from all of the views from the windows. So coming through here, we have another double bedroom, and a really interesting thing about this room here, you could easily designate this as the master bedroom with that lovely big window there, and of course you do have the ensuite shower room just there as well. But you do also have a bonus space just located right in front of us. As soon as we come into this room, it's could easily be used as an at-home study space or perhaps as a walk-in wardrobe. So you've got some really, really interesting options with this particular layout. It's really, really nice that you have a real mix of modern features within this real character family home. Coming back out onto the main landing space, we come through into the main family bathroom, and as you can see, this is the epitome of luxury. It is a wonderful, wonderful space that you know that you're going to be able to relax in. And just coming through, of course, through to another bedroom here, and of course, one of the first things you notice, again, the window there, just beautiful overlooking the rear garden, but also you've got that wonderful feature fireplace there as well. I'm going to go over and just take a little look outside that window, and you can see that beautiful westerly aspect, walled garden that you have there. Just an amazing, amazing space. So here we are in yet another double bedroom with that gorgeous fireplace there, and the window does of course overlook the rear garden as well, so again a nice private room. Now this would make a wonderful, wonderful guest bedroom, as you do have the ensuite bathroom there as well, so a wonderful guest bedroom this would be. So we're going to venture up to the top of the property now, where we're going to find a really, really nice open space that could be used for anything. If you wanted to use it as a bit of a separate bedroom space, or perhaps as an at-home study, the options are there, however you'd like to arrange it, but a really, really nice open space with that Velux window there. So really, really good use of some otherwise unused space. So we're back out on the main landing space, and we're going to go back downstairs, and we're going to walk through the kitchen and dining area just off of this amazing entrance hall. I mean, every time you come into the entrance hall, whether or not it's from the front door, from upstairs, or even from one of the lounge areas, you can always see that it's a striking space. So coming through into this amazing kitchen and dining area at the back here, you can see you've got a wonderful mix of modern and characterful charm. You've got those wonderful big windows there at the back just overlooking the rear garden, and you do have the bonus of having the shower room on the ground level here as well. So if you did want to try and accommodate some ground floor living space, that's very easily done here. So again, coming back to this amazing kitchen, you can see that it's a wonderful space for entertaining. If you've got friends and family coming over, you're not going to be able to leave this space at all. You've got that real feature family area there with the log burning stove, and with that easy access out to the rear garden, there's really no excuse to leave this space for quite some time. Absolutely gorgeous, and you can really see those amazing tall ceilings that you have here as well. And here we are in the rear garden, which is where we're nearly coming to the end of our walkthrough tour. So of course we'll recap a few things whilst we're out in this beautiful rear garden. Of course, the property is a 5-bedroom semi-detached Georgian residence with this wonderful westerly facing rear garden. Location wise, you cannot beat it. You do not feel like you're in the middle of the town, and it's so convenient. Of course, you've got the seafront moments away, Oxenden Square moments away. You've got that lovely big gated courtyard driveway at the front there. It really does offer an amazing opportunity for you to be able to settle in Herne Bay, and easily one of the area's most beautiful and striking family homes.